Hey, it's me, Dream Chasing here. Today I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful grass wall under $200. Stay tuned. So this is my beautiful wall in my salon loft. It's pretty tall, so I wanted to do something different to add some life to it. I got the artificial grass from Amazon. I got 2 boxes of 12. So one box had 12 and the other box had 12, which equaled 24. It was 20 by 20 in size, and we're going to use these staples here and a handy duty staple gun to staple it in the wall. Okay, I've done 2 here and I've stapled them in the wall with my heavy duty staple gun. It took me a couple times to do it, but now that I got my form, it should be easy to do. I wanted to show you these up close. Again, they're 20 by 20 and they have like these little snap buttons on the side. So it's basically like you're buttoning up a shirt or something. It's like a hole and you just put it right in there and snap it together. And it makes it a lot easier when you go to staple it to the wall. So I would highly recommend that you do this before you staple it to the wall. After I finish snapping those 2 together, I snap it to the other ones that were already on the wall, so it'll be easier for me to staple it in the wall, if that makes sense. So everything will basically just line up perfectly, so I can just go ahead and staple it in. So this is basically how it's going to look after you have 4 of them stapled to the wall. After that, it was pretty much easy, but I did ask my husband to come over to the new space and help me finish putting up the grass wall. As you can see, it looks good and like better lighting. It has more of a natural look. And after we figured out how to really put it on there, it was so easy to just put it up there. Along with my grass wall, I decided to get a wooden sign done for my salon name and my brand name, which is Dream Chasing Hair. It was previously up at my old salon, but I decided to do something different with it. I got the spray paint from Hobby Lobby or Walmart, and I just basically spray painted it purple because that's my logo colors. And that's all I did, was just spray paint it and let it dry. I also went to Hobby Lobby and got these purple flowers. It was like 2 garlands for like $10. And I cut them up and I stapled them to the wall. I wanted it to look more scattered and not just all in one area. And again, these are my logo colors, so I thought it would be perfect to put on the grass wall. Super cheap and easy too. You are now looking at the finishing product of the accent grass wall in my new salon suite. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys take the time out to make your space unique and just for you. I really enjoyed doing this. I really enjoyed putting up the grass wall to put my creativity to use as usual. I will leave everything down below of what I use and where to find it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching.